What's poppin', people? I'm Robert and this is the Crypto Corner. But before we get started, allow me to remind you to smash that notification bell, hit the like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Now on with the video. What's poppin', people, and welcome back to the Crypto Corner. I am Rob and I want to come back at you with another video, and this one is on CNBC. Coinbase-backed crypto trading firm hits $1 billion valuation after fresh funding. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. We're going to hit some of the key points, hit some of the highlights, and I will give you my commentary. But before I do, let me encourage you to smash that notification bell. Hit the like button, please, and like, share, subscribe, and I will go ahead and get with the article. Now, it says over here, it says the Amber Group, a cryptocurrency financial services firm, has raised $100 million as investors rush to back companies in the industry. The fresh funding round values the Hong Kong-based startup at $1 billion. Investment bank China Renaissance led the round with participation from other high-profile investors, including New York-based Tiger Global Management. Existing investors, which includes Coinbase's venture arm, were involved. The latest funding round continues a flurry of funding activity in the cryptocurrency industry. Now, let me just pause right there for a second, guys. Listen to what we've been telling you. Listen to what I've been saying. Listen to what some of the other cryptocurrency analysts have been talking about. And that is these institutional investors are getting in. The institutions are already in, right? But they're coming in droves. You have these whales and you have the institutional investors. This space, the cryptocurrency space that is a viable space. It is a new frontier. It is different from the old guard. It's different from the old asset classes, you know, your stocks and bonds and your real estate and your precious metals. Is just different. This is fresh. This is new. This particular space is barely 10 years old. Bitcoin's been out since like 2008. Okay. So this is barely over a decade years old. It's a young asset class and it's very, very explosive. Now, that being said, that also means it's very, very volatile. Now, people can make a lot of money in the cryptocurrency space, but you can also lose a lot of money. So you have to be careful. And again, this is commentary. This is not financial advice, but let's continue with the article. In the second quarter of 2021, venture capital investment into cryptocurrency and blockchain startups totaled $14 billion, according to data from PitchBook provided by CNBC. That compares to just $600 million in the same period last year. Okay, so guys, it went from $14 billion being invested into this space, okay, with blockchain, cryptocurrency, blockchain startups. 1 year later, it went up from 600 million to 14 billion. Okay, that is huge. Now, interest in cryptocurrencies, particularly in Bitcoin, rose this year as institutional investors and large corporations jumped in. Payment processors Square and electric vehicle maker Tesla are among the companies that have purchased Bitcoin. But after touching a record high of $64,000 in April, Bitcoin has plunged by nearly half. Amber Group has typically sold products to institutional investors and wealthy individuals, including algorithmic trading and lending products. Rather than being a cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to trade individual digital coins, Amber Group CEO Michael Wu said the company is bringing a private banking experience to everyday customer. Wu says the company offers investors a number of different cryptocurrency products to invest in. The Amber Group said it is on track to book revenue of $500 million by the end of this year and has been profitable since inception. According to Wu, between 70 and 80% of the company's revenue comes from so-called net interest margin, a measure of lending profitability. Amber Group takes on customers' deposits and offers them an interest rate. They then lend out the money from a pool of deposits to other entities at higher interest rates and make money from that spread. About 15% of revenue comes from trading fees. While the majority of the company's customers are institutional investors, Wu said Amber Group is making a push to gain individual investor customers. We don't advocate heavy speculation or high use of leverage. Rather, we want our customers to be more long-term, focus on risk management, and get stable and attractive yields, Wu said. Okay, now we're going to look at some strategic acquisitions, and then I'll just go ahead and close it out. And you can read the rest of this article on CNBC. But it says the CEO said the fresh capital raise will be used to hire even more aggressively and to take strategic acquisitions in areas such as cybersecurity. But Wu said the company is also looking to acquire others that have regulatory licenses in certain jurisdictions, which could allow Amber Group to enter a new market. Regulation around cryptocurrency investing differs around the world and is quite fragmented. Quote, I think regulation is always a challenge for this industry because it's a very global industry, Wu said. It's always about staying ahead or at least staying aware of the different regulations. We always take a very conservative approach to that. Okay, so I guess I did finish it there. So now, guys, I just have to tell you, look at what is going on in the industry, okay? Now, it's more of a mainstream, it's more widespread adoption. We got to keep, we got to keep in mind. So there is good and bad. Now, first, the good, widespread adoption. Okay. It means that this space, cryptocurrency and blockchain, is viable and will probably be here for decades. That's good. Acceptance, or like I said, with adoption, and everyone's starting to know about it, right? Everyone is just hot. It's just a hot area. That's the good. And we can all make some money if we educate ourselves and know what we're doing and study the game tech, study the market, okay? If we have that, then hey, there's an opportunity for the little guy to actually make some money, because this space has absolutely made millionaires since its inception. And I mean, there's new crypto millionaires created every single year, okay? So that's powerful, that's exciting. Now, the bad. The whales coming in and the institutional investors coming in. Then there can be a lot of market manipulation as well as regulation, because all eyes are on this space. So that is the bad. So guys, just stay tuned. Keep yourself educated and abreast of what is going on. That's why you're here on this channel. Also, there's some others out there that are really good, but I just want to keep you guys in the know as far as what is going on in the crypto space. Those are my thoughts. Sound off in the comment section down below. And this has been your crypto commentary. See you on the next one.